What's up, guys? It's your boy StocknSlo. If you didn't know, now you do. So I did end up cutting the locks off, so no more dreadlocks. But I wanted to fill y'all in what was going on and like what I've been working on and what I've been up to. I know I haven't uploaded in like 4 months or something. I've been putting together like this little kind of like project thing, a car I've been working on recently. My fault for not uploading. I haven't really been motivated recently to upload. I tried recording a couple videos, but they really came out like, they just came out so bad. Like, they didn't come out bad, but not to like the standard I want to put out. You know what I'm saying? The car came out fire. Let me stop yapping to show y'all what I've been working on. This is the Mustang, guys. I talked about this in my video where I first announced this car and what it was going to be. This is my real project car. This car right here is the real project car. That car is cool. I will always love this car, but this car has a special place in my heart. This whole thing was not the original plan for this car. Me and this car have a lot of history. I was going to sell this car for a while until this brand called KBD dropped the body kit for it, but they made one for the New Edge, and then they made one for the SN95 right after. This is what I've been working on so far. Still got some work to do on it. As you can see, it sits very low to the ground. This is one of my favorite kits that I've ever seen on a car for real. So when they dropped this, I knew I had to get it. I just put this on the other day too. I was gonna do a video on installing the kit, but I ended up doing the kit like a whole bunch of different days, and I was kind of figuring a whole bunch of stuff out, and figured I would just do like a kind of like a review type thing on it, and just like show y'all what I've been working on in the cut. It's a work in progress. Like don't even look at that for it. It does need a top pretty bad, as you can see. But hopefully lots of good things coming for this car. I've only seen a handful of people have this body kit so far on the SN95s at least. I've seen a few people with the New Edge, but only a couple with the SN95. But I still need to lower it. I don't really know how it's gonna be when I lower it in the front because it's already so low in the front. Talking with a couple people and they said it's like a cheese grater. Like you just lower it to what you want and just like basically just let the ground like eat it away until it gets to where you want it, without taking too much off, of course. I don't know how low this is capable of going. I don't really know too much about like lowering these cars. It is still stock ride height. These aren't 19s, by the way. These are 19-inch wheels. I don't know if they look small or they look just right on here with the kit. Before, these wheels kind of looked big before I put the kit on, but now I have the kit on. It kind of looks like it evens out a bit, but I love the length that the body kit gives for it. Stock, these cars, like they sit so high, like this, like the side skirts and the front bumper just sits so high off the ground. I don't know how low I'm gonna go with it. Well, you guys can see from that car that I like stance cars, so we'll see what we can make work with this. Let me know if y'all guys want a video on me lowering this. I definitely will, at least like kind of run through the process of it and then show them what it's like after. Fitment on this is pretty nice though. I know that the rear doesn't camber because it's a solid axle in the rear. The front will camber. The front is almost perfect with the fender. So this fitment looks amazing how it is right here. This is a crazy shot, actually. I ain't gonna lie. The camera kind of going crazy right now. Hopefully I can bring her out soon. I think KBD called this the 240, but spelled out like with the word Ford. I'll put it on the screen. I almost forgot. I gotta give y'all boys a fit check real quick. Fit check.
I said go, create my brackets, I got dough, yeah. I'm so fly, I jump out the plane, Geronimo, on the road. So I'm gonna rock some more, and I won't choke, but like Reggie, your hands on your throat. I said go, create my brackets, I got dough, yeah. I'm so fly, I jump out the plane, Geronimo, on the road. So I'm gonna rock some more.
Back to this real quick. Pretty soon I will have videos on this car, or more in-depth videos on this car, you know, driving it and stuff like that. I can't really drive it right now, battery issue, but once that's fixed, hopefully I can get rollers and clips of me driving it. She is turning out beautiful though. I'm not really too sure which coils to get yet. I haven't really looked too deep into like these Mustangs and what coilovers are good and what's bad. It is manual. I do got to put some of the interior back together. It's kind of a mess in here right now. It also needs a vacuum, but it hasn't really moved from the spot in a long time, so sorry for the mess. Also, let me know if y'all want tips on, I guess, how I did it or how I put this on, because you do gotta drill like your own holes. Cutouts are not really 100%, but they do give you kind of like an idea of where you place everything. Like, I mean, I had to drill my own holes for this. The thing is too, you gotta take the brackets off the old bumpers and put them on this bumper. So there's a little bracket behind right here that you had to take off the old bumper and put on this bumper. So the OEM bumper now no longer has the bracket on there. Same thing for the front. So you got to take the bracket off the old bumper right here and put it on this one. You can kind of see it because this bumper is kind of sagging a little bit right now. I gotta put it back on and readjust it, whatever. Ford used rivets for these ones, so I just used rivets again to hold the brackets in. From what I hear, these kits are like made for drifting. I know a lot of stance people use them as well because the material that they're made out of polyurethane. Basically, they flex a lot. They got like so many videos of them just like running these bumpers over with like cars. They give lifetime warranties for these kits, so even if you do somehow manage to break it, whatever, they'll give you another kit for free. At least that's what KBD says. So this is, I guess, my little update and where I've been and what I've been working on. This is the main goal as for right now. Civic hasn't really changed too much, more or less the same. I've been wanting this to come out more than that recently. I've had this car in the tuck for a long time now. If a Mustang owner sees this, they probably hate me for real. I've already got hate by some other Mustang owners by posting pictures of it and stuff, but I could care less. This shit look crazy. This shit look awesome to me. It's like that, or like, oh yeah. Still has a long way to go. Paint is messed up right there. I don't really care at all. And hopefully this car comes out to be a crazy build. It's very weird to see this rear bumper though on this car. Not used to it, but I appreciate y'all for tuning into this video. I want to do more videos on this, you know, me doing like the future plans, yeah, I'll say that, the future plans I got with this thing. Yeah, that's about it for right now. I guess I'll see you next video. StocknSlo out.